Jimmy One is available right now. I think it's the Asian Big One. Support the shit time. Let's go. It's on. Okay. Alright. So, last song we're going to do, right? The rest of the people that are going to bless you. Oh, you look amazing. You all look amazing. Okay.
Yes, sir.
One of my favorite songs, and probably one of my favorite songs to date, it's a song that goes something like this. I want you to help me. You gonna help me sing it? You don't even know which one it is yet. It might be a brand new song. You don't even know the lyrics. I'm only joking. It's gonna be a song that came out on my first album, right? Let's go from there. Sohniye ni sohniye tere naal main nachna. That was absolute rubbish. That was the worst song sung back to me ever. Now I've done weddings that I've been out of that. Are you ready this time? Are you ready? Right, okay, on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Sohniye ni sohniye tere naal main nachna. It was better, but I missed it. Never mind, let's go, Dicks. Yeah!
Is everybody ready to dance? I'm going to start with my super hit songs. The song I sang with Asha Bhosle ji. मैनू चूड़ियां चढ़ा दे चन्न वे मैं छम छम नचदी फिरा. Yes? And I want to see all मेरिया भैना भरा, you know, चाहे किते भी हो, dance. So let's have this. Okay? ओ मैनू चूड़ियां चढ़ा दे चन्न वे हाय. मैनू चूड़ियां चढ़ा दे चन्न वे मैं छम छम नचदी फिरा. मैनू चूड़ियां चढ़ा दे चन्न वे मैं छम छम नचदी फिरा. अंबर नचे नाल वे लै लैन हुलारे झुमके मेरे दे डोलिया लाल मैं हो जावा मस्तानी अड़िया अंबर नचे नाल वे लैन हुलारे झुमके मेरे दे डोलिया लाल वे अतरी हाय अतरी जवानी में तो जावे ना संभाली वे मैं आग वांगू मचदी फिरा मैं चम चम नचदी फिरा मैंने चूड़ियां चढ़ा दे चन वे मैं चम चम नचदी फिरा Everybody, come on! Thank you. सूट गुलाबी पाके मैं ता बन जा फुल गुलाब दा बन के पौरा चूस लवानी रस मैं तेरे शबाब दा सूट गुलाबी पाके मैं ता बन जा फुल गुलाब दा बन के पौरा चूस लवानी रस मैं तेरे शबाब दा मेरिया हाय मेरिया Everybody, come on!
Alright guys, just hear me out please. For safety reasons, please everybody, if you can take one step back, that's it. Don't lean on this properly. क्योंकि एक बंदा डिगेगा सारे और नाल डिगेंगे. फिर लोग आएंगे देखो कितने डिगे हुए लोग हैं. So please everybody take one step back. Look, it's very simple what you do. Shall I show you one more time? Camera guy? Yeah? From this side. On the stage, one step back. Okay? Because these artists, they want you to be safe as well. By the way, how beautiful this looks. I wish I could show you. Camera, can you show the audience please? Come on! Wow! Big John! Bella, दुआ करया करो कोई नवी बीमारी ना आ जाए क्योंकि अगले साल ਅਸੀਂ ਫੇਰ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਨਾ ਅੱਜਕੱਲ ਕੁਝ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰਾਂਦਾ ਕਿਸੇ ਨੂੰ ਹੈ ਬॉब Right, so before we introduce the next artist, we've got our very own Radio XL. They're going to come on and they're going to introduce the artist. So please make some noise for the team Radio XL. Thank you.
Hello, once again from Radio XL. How are you? I hope कि आपने बहुत enjoy किया है और हाँ तो मानी जहाँ पर होस्ट कर रहा हो मानी के लिए तालियां हो जाए एक दफा और जोर से जितना मानी का साइज है उतना तालियां
मैं चम चम नचदी फिरां मैनू चूड़ियां चढ़ा दे चन वे चम चम नचदी फिरां मैनू चूड़ियां चढ़ा दे चन वे चम चम नचदी फिरां सूट सवा दे उत्ते बूटियां पवा दे वे मैं कुड़ियां च जचदी फिरां मैं चम चम नचदी फिरां तेनू रानी मैं बना दूंगा तेनू रानी मैं बना दूंगा तू मेरी जिंद जान बलिए तारे तोड़े अंबरां दे सूट ते सजा दियां लगे तू रकान बलिए तू मेरी जिंद जान बलिए तू मेरी चूड़ियां चढ़ा दे चन वे चम चम नचदी फिरां मैनू चूड़ियां चढ़ा दे चन वे चम चम नचदी फिरां 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 चम चम नचदी फिरां
टैक्सी का काम
The people who don't know that the modern Bhangra, Alap created modern Bhangra in the whole of the world. And Alap is my band. Today my band is not here. I'm performing alone with my toll player. We have played with UB40, Robert Palmer, Peter Gabriel, and Spice Girls together on one stage. Yes, and this is the whole truth history. So now I take you to proper Bhangra. Whoa, whoa, I can see a lot of my lovely sisters. dancing there. So I expect everybody and my friends there. Thank you so much for giving me company. मेरी बहना परजाइयां सारे. Basharat, love you man. Okay, the song which created modern Bhangra in the whole world, and the Bhangra came to mainstream with this song. The song is called Bhabiye Ni Bhabiye.